The hills alive with the sound of music. Drove about half an hour to Mézenc, and about to check out the beautiful landscape view. Located 1,700 plus meters above sea level, Mont Mézenc is a beautiful summit in the Auvergne-Rhône-Alpes region of France. Took a little hike in the mountain and now we're going back uphill. Just finished our hike and now we're in a small village called Les Estables, and we're going to a very traditional boucherie where they sell traditional pâté, saucisson, and other delicious things that are my favorite to eat. Can we go in? A lot of persons. Yeah. And now we stopped at another petite village who's famous for their thatched roofs. It's so cute, artisanal. And this is the museum and the famous house where they make the thatched roofs. Guess what this is? I bet you guys will never know. I just learned it's a place where you put the animals to put horseshoes on them, on their hooves. Thanks for watching, guys. This is it for this time. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.